Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find someone's location by phone number on Google Maps. Now the first thing you need to do is ask the person to share their location, and they must do this on their phone. So they need to open Google Maps, okay? Come to the top right and tap on their profile icon. Then they have to scroll down and they need to select location sharing right here, and where you see share location, I want them to go ahead and select that option. Now they need to choose the duration. So for example, until you turn this off, or you can set the duration as many hours as you would like. I'll just leave it until you turn this off, and then you need to tap here on more. So here, as you can see, we get all the contacts, the emails, and you can send via maps, or of course, you can type right here the phone number and send it to them. Okay, basically the link, and it is really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.